We're here today at Haiku the Macaulay, which is a project we're delivering on behalf of our client Greystar. It's a huge day on site today with the erection of our third and final tower crane. One of the biggest challenges we've got on the project is actually the logistics and servicing the north of the job. We've only got one street frontage access along Macaulay Road on the south. So the way that we've overcome this challenge is in the earlier phases of the project, we've actually modelled in everything in 3D and federated that with our design model. By modelling in the temporary structures such as the tower crane hoist and the concrete pumps, it means that we can actually coordinate our temporary structures with the future building, make sure there's no clashes and issues later down the track, and really future-proofing us for the life cycle of the build. We've just poured the final slab on ground in the basement. Now we've got our last tower crane up in the air. It means there's all systems go for structure in the coming months.